What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. I really appreciate it. Today I am going to try to recreate a look. My friend Marlo Keenan, I'll link her up there, did a birthday video for me recently, and she did a look that she thought was my kind of look, or the kind of look that I would create, and she used the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. Well, you guys also know that I have been trying to really dig into my collection and use things, at least give everything a little bit of love, and I have not touched this since I did a first impressions thing whenever I got it in Boxy Luxe or Boxy Charm or whatever it was that it came in. And there is a section of this that is definitely a Sherri section. I'm sure you can tell it's this right here. And I just like the look that she came up with, and I don't think I'm necessarily going to try to do it exactly like her, but just kind of be inspired by it. So if you would like to see the kind of Sherri look that I can come up with using the Violet Voss palette, please keep watching. Oh, in case I forget, this is also often called a Holy Grail palette, and it says right there, my Holy Grail. So yeah, Holy Grail palette. I don't know if it's my Holy Grail palette, but maybe it's somebody's. I'll be putting the shade names and also pointing to the colors in the palette in case you would like to try to recreate this yourself, and so you'll know what colors to use. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start out by carving out my eyebrows a little bit and brightening up my brow bone with Thanks a Latte. How cute is that name? Next, I'm going to go in with the transition shade called Bestie. Just get some color laid down into the crease. Next, to deepen up the crease, I'm going to go into Wine and Dine. I'm going to go in with the first brush and blend that out. I'm now going to use the same brush and go into brownie points to just deepen up the outer corner. Actually, I'm going to use a smaller brush. I'm going to use a Morphe M507. In her tutorial, she used Cranberry Splash, but I want something, I want to start lighter on the lid. So I'm going to go in with Ploof right here, because that's super shimmery pink and super light shimmery pink. So I'm all about it. I want that to be even more foiled, so I'm going to load up my MAC 242 and spray with Fix Plus. And for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with Crystal. I'm going to go in with a little Wine and Dine and Brownie Points mixed, and then blend that out with Bessie on the lower lash line. I am going to use Poise Lashes by Kiss. I already have these pre-cut and I haven't worn them yet, so my regular cocktail of mascara. I'm going to use MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash on my lower lashes and NARS Climax on my upper lashes. For lips, I'm going to use Hush Hush by Buxom and Bare It All Hydro Matte by Gerard Cosmetics. I love this color. All right, folks, this is the finished look. I think it's pretty and very similar to what I was trying to recreate. I made my own little tweaks like I always do. And for setting spray, I'm going to use the NYX Dewy Finish Fini Valute, whatever, Dewy Finish finishing spray. All right, folks, that's it for us today. I'm going to zoom you the rest of the way out. Strike a pose. And I'm going to get out of here. It is Friday night and shopping time. My hot Friday night date with Walmart. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. That helps me out a lot by helping YouTube to show people I'm here. Maybe. Anyways, again, thank you for being here. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys.